How you can remove your business account from your Instagram. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can remove your business account from your Instagram. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and open up your Instagram. Now from here you have to click into your profile and click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner. From here you have to go in the settings and the privacy. Now you have to scroll down a little bit and here is the option of the for professionals business tools and the control. You have to click on it. Now here is the option of the switch account type. Tap on it and go into the switch to your personal account. Now basically here is the two option. One is the creator and the second one is the personal. So you have to choose them between and simply switch to your account. Now here is the confirmation to switch it, so you just have to click on it and after that you have to go back and reload your page and you are able to remove your business account from your Instagram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.